So I'm walking in the courthouse now. We got court at the end of the month for this, so ain't no rush because I know I'm gonna get it done. I'm still squabbling too, y'all. I'm still trying to get my arrears completely clear. Quick message from my parents, man. His feelings aren't gonna win. Paperwork is gonna win. A paper trail, evidence, understanding the statutes, the laws. So yeah, we're going to turn in this exhibit sheet that I made, trying to get my arrears cleared for child support. Like maybe 10, 11, 12, 13,000 in arrears, but they didn't give me credit for the direct payments I made to my daughter, over 5,000, 6,000. And they didn't give me credit for timeshare. My daughter's coming to live with me during the summer, during the school years, stuff like that. Like you can always drop back and ask to get certain things adjusted. Y'all just gotta know how, bro. So I'm walking in the courthouse now. We got court at the end of the month for this, so I'm trying to get it cleared away, taken off. I gotta do this with a couple other ones too. Hey man, link in the bio, y'all plug in with me, man. I can teach y'all how to get some relief in this